First, remove the magnetic front cover. Unplug the fan connector. Remove the TFE tube. Then pull out the hot end, fan temperature sensor and heater cartridge plug. Remove the 2 hot end screws. Take off the hot end. Loosen the filament cutter screw. Note, you don't need to remove the entire screw. Loosen it partially. The blade will pop out. Loosen these 3 mounting screws. Then you can remove the extruder. Note there is still an extruder ribbon cable. Loosen the extruder pressure spring. Make sure there is no extrusion pressure. Remove the 4 mounting screws on the back. Open the cover. Remove the extruder gear. Note, press down the tensioner with your left hand here. Then remove the tensioner and gear. Next, we install the hardened steel extruder gear. You'll hear a click from the gear. This means it's properly installed. Then tighten the tension spring. Make sure the gear can rotate freely. Reinstall the cover. Tighten the 4 screws. Next, we replace the hot end. First, remove the 2 fan mounting screws. Take off the silicone sleeve. Carefully remove the metal clip. Carefully remove the heater cartridge and thermistor. Use a cotton swab to apply the included thermal paste. Evenly coat the thermistor, heater cartridge, and nozzle. Ensure good thermal conduction. Reattach the metal clip. Be careful not to damage the thin wires. Put the silicone sleeve back on. Next, we reinstall the extruder and hot end with hardened steel parts. Put them back. Plug in the extruder ribbon cable. Tighten the 3 screws. Insert the filament cutter back. Then tighten the limit screw. Tighten the 2 cooling fan screws. Clip the ribbon cable into the plastic clip. Tighten the 2 hot end mounting screws. Plug in the ribbon cable. Note the connector orientation. Reinstall the TFE tube. Plug in the fan connector. Put the front cover back on. That completes the process.